Good morning, students. Welcome to our online conduct by MCGM. So, students, first we start with one song. Okay. So, this is an action song. Read after me. Okay. Now say A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, F, E. Come on, Sonu, read with me.
Come on, Sonu,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N.
L, K,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Count the books. We have 10. Say,
E,
count the books. We have 10. Yes. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. I am a reading, so are you.
I, so are you.
Yes. V and W, X, Y, Z.
W, X,
V and X, Y, Z.
Y, Z.
Yes. Give me the books you have. Give me the books you have. Yes. So students, this is a alphabet song. And today we learn English subject alphabet song unit 6. Okay, say students, which alphabet is this?
A,
Yes. A. See A at an apple. A alphabet. Okay, A alphabet. Yes. And apple. Yes. See the picture, A alphabet. This is small letter. Okay, small A. So small alphabet, small A at an apple. Okay, student. Now see the next picture. Which letter is this?
B,
Yes. Yes. And B, play with. Yes.
get
B,
a ball.
yes.
A
And
basket, a ball.
B, bounce a ball. Okay.
B,
B,
bounce a ball.
yes. Now see the next letter. This is a C. And what she is doing?
C,
Yes.
cut a carrot and
Yes. C cut a carrot. C letter cut a carrot. See, this is a carrot. And C cut a carrot. Okay, now
cut
next, which letter is coming?
and
This is D. Which letter is it? Yes, D. And D, dress a doll. See, how nice.
dress a doll.
Yes, D, dress a doll. Okay, student. So first we see, read with me. A at an apple.
A at an apple.
B bounce a ball.
B bounce a ball.
C cut a carrot.
C cut a carrot
And D dress a doll.
D
Dress
dress
a doll. So first students with
dress
a doll.
a doll.
So students, first I sing a 4-line. Okay. A at an apple.
A
B
doll.
bounce a ball. C, cut a carrot, and D, dress a doll. Okay. Again, one time I sing 4 lines. A, ate an apple. B, bounce a ball. C, yes, C, cut a carrot, and D, dress a doll. Understand, students? Now, after
Yes.
D, which letter is coming?
E.
Yes. Now we see E. E eat something. See, this is egg. Yes.
It's
E,
and
E eat.
and
Yes. Now F. Array, F is falling down. F falls flat. See, this is F letter. F fall flat. Now, which letter is this?
Papa.
After
G.
F, yes, G.
G.
See, G grows grapes. See, this is grapes. G, yes, G grows grapes. And now, yes. Now this is H letter. H. What H letter is doing? H hangs a head. This is a, yes, this is a stand. H hangs head. H hangs a head. Okay, students. So which 4 letters? E, F, G, H. Okay. Now read with me. E eats eggs and egg. E eats eggs and very good. F falls flat.
F
Falls
falls
flat.
flat.
Yes. G grows grapes and
G grows grapes and
H hangs a hat.
hat.
Yes, very good. So again we sing these 4 lines. E eats eggs and F falls flat. Come on, students, sing after me. E eats eggs and F falls flat.
E X eggs and F flocks flat.
Very good. G grows grapes and H hangs a hat.
E grows grapes and H hangs a hat.
Very good. Again, one time I read. E eats eggs and F falls flat. G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. Very good, students. Now after H, which letter is coming here? Tell me.
I.
Yes, very good. This is I. I is on an island. See, this is a picture of island. And when I, yes, on an island.
In an
Island.
island.
Now see, this is J. J is very happy. So J jumps and jogs. What J doing? Jumps. J jumps and jogs.
J jumps and
Jogs.
jogs.
Yes. J is very happy. So J jumps and jogs. Now which letter is this?
Jump and jog. K.
Yes. Now see, this is a small kittens. This is a kitten. 1 and 2. So K keeps kitten. What K doing? K keeps kitten. See, the baby of cat. K keeps 2 kittens. Now the turn.
Keeps kittens and
Yes, very good. Now see, this is L. This letter is L. Yes. L lift log. Log means a piece of wooden. So very heavy log is this. Okay, so L lifts log.
and is love.
Yes, very good. So we read 4 lines. Okay, students. I is on an island. I, read with me. I is
I
on
is on an island.
very good.
Island.
J,
They jump and joke.
very good. J jumps and jogs.
Joke.
K keeps kittens and
Cake is eaten and
L lifts logs.
and lives love.
Very good. So students, we sing 4 lines. Okay. I is on an island.
I on an island and
J jumps and jogs.
they jump and joke.
K keeps kitten and K keeps
Kitten
kitten. L lift log.
and live dog.
Okay. Students, which letter is coming after L? Tell me. Yes, very good. Now this is M. So M letter is writing something. Okay. And M makes mistake. Yes.
Mr. Case.
Mistake in his writing. Okay. So M makes mistakes. Now see which letter is it? N. Yes, N is injured. See, N is injured. So N need a nurse. And a nurse. Yes, for bandage. Now see which letter is this? O. Yes. O obey orders.
Obey orders.
Yes. O always obey orders. And see, this is what? Yes, what P is doing? P patches a purse. P patches purse. Okay, now we read 4 lines. See, M makes mistakes and needs a nurse.
And this
A nurse.
needs a nurse.
Yes. O obeys orders
Obey orders
and
P
patches
patches
purse. Yes.
road.
Yes. So we sing one time. M makes mistakes
And make mistakes
and needs a nurse.
and needs a nurse.
O obeys orders and
Obey pay orders, and
P patches a purse.
P patches a purse.
Okay, now which letter is coming after P?
Q.
Yes, very good. This is Q. And Q going quickly. Q queued up quickly.
Q. Queued up.
Quickly.
Waiting.
Yes. And C, R. R is roll and roll. R rolled and rose.
R.
Rolled and rose.
Rolled and roll.
This is S letter.
S.
S spoke slowly.
S. Spoke slowly, and
T touch his toes. See what T is doing? T touch his toes.
He touch
His
toes.
toes. Yes. See the picture. T touches toes. Now we read 4 lines.
Toes.
Q queued up quickly.
Q queued up to quickly.
Yes, Q queued up quickly.
Q queued up quickly. R
Rolled and rose.
and roll.
Yes.
Roll.
S spoke slowly.
X spoke slowly,
And T touch his toes.
he touched his toes.
Very good. Now we sing this 4 line. Q queued up quickly.
Q queued up quickly.
R rolled and rose.
R and roll.
Spoke slowly and
S spoke slowly, and
T touch his toes.
he touched his toes.
Very good. Now which letter is coming, students, after T?
U.
Yes, very good. See, U is taking umbrella. U, yes,
As an umbrella.
U uses an umbrella.
U as
Using,
an umbrella.
yes. Now this is a V letter. V has a violet
A
pen.
violet van.
V has a violet pen.
V has a violet van.
See, this is W.
W
Washes windows. See, W washes window.
washes window.
Now read with me. You use an umbrella.
You use an umbrella.
V has a violet van.
Violet van.
B washes windows.
W washes window.
Yes. Whenever he can.
Whenever he can. Whenever
Okay.
he can.
Yes. Now we read. We sing one time. You uses an umbrella.
You use an umbrella.
B has a violet van.
We has a violet van.
W washes windows.
W washes window.
Whenever he can.
Whenever he can.
Okay. Now after W, which letter is coming here? See. Which letter is it? Yes. X, I in boxes. See, this is a brown box. And what X is doing? X hide in this box.
X hiding in box.
Now, this is a Y letter. Y says, see, this is a food. Y says, yummy and you. Y like to eat foods. So, Y, yummy and you.
Yummy and you.
Now, last letter. Our last letter is Z. And Z is, see the line, zigzag line. So, Z says, zigzag zoom.
Zoom.
Yes. What Z say?
Zoom.
Zigzag zoom. Hooray, we are through. Now we read. X hides in boxes.
X hiding in boxes.
Y says yummy.
Y says yummy and you.
Yes. Z says zigzag zoom.
Z says zigzag zoom.
Hooray, we are through.
Her.
Hooray. Hooray, we
are
through.
Truth.
Now students sing with me. X hides in boxes.
Hiding boxes.
Y says yummy and you.
Y says yummy and you.
Z says zigzag zoom.
Z says zigzag zoom.
Hooray, we are through.
Hooray, we are through.
Okay, students. You all understand this poem?
Yes.
Okay, so I ask you some question. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, this question is in our textbook, page number 53. Okay. So I ask you some question. You give me answer and write in your homework. Okay. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So see the question. Say the letters from A to Z and fill the missing letters. Okay, students. Say the letters from A to Z and fill the missing letters. So you write here missing letters. So see, here A, then give here 3 boxes. So what we write here after A, which letter is coming?
B.
Yes, A, B, then C. A, B, C, and in box, what we write here?
E.
Yes, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, very good, students. Now second is O.
O.
What we write here in box?
O. P.
Yes, O, P.
O. P.
Yes, O, P, then yes, O, P, Q, R.
R.
Okay, yes. Now F.
F.
What we write F?
E. H. I. J.
Yes. What we write here? G, H, I, J. F-G-H-I-J. So you write in your homework. Okay, students? Now, yes. Okay, so first I read this question. Listen and tell the next letter. So we tell the next letter. Okay, so here M N, yes. Our next letter is N. M N. Okay, J. Next letter is K. Yes, very good. J K. Now third one is N. Next, yes, N O. And last is V. Yes, V U. Very good. Now we see the third question. This is the fourth one question. Listen and tell the letters before. So we write here before letter. So question is B. So yes, before letter is A. So we write here A, B, N, M. Very good. Third question is S. So before letter is very good. R, S. And last one is Z. Yes, very good. Y, Z. Very good, students. Now we see the next question. Write the words starting with letters given in a circle. So you students tell me this is a A. Okay. So you tell me the words start from A. Yes, and okay. Then and then next word A for apple. Very good. And apple, and third one and apple, and next A for and. Okay, then one again, say one more word. Aeroplane. Yes or no? Yes. And apple, aeroplane. Okay, students. Now next word is G. Sorry, next letter is G.
Grapes.
Very good. Next.
Goat.
Okay. Grapes, goat, and
Grass.
okay, next. One more word. G for
Game.
yes. Game, girl, grapes. Very good. Giraffe, gun. Okay, students. Now you write in your homework. Okay. So our last question is, see this, here are some words. Okay. Frame meaningful words using the letter given in the following shape. So students, you see these letters. See N, O, M, C, T, D, Y, A, R, I, L, S, E, G, B. So you make a word. Like this is, see students, C-A-T, cat. Okay.
C-A-T, cat.
Okay, so another word. You make one more word.
M-O-M, mom.
Yes. Then D-O-G, dog.
D-O-G.
Yes. Then B.
And T. And.
Yes, A and D, and. Then M-A-T,
And.
yes. M-A-T, mat. B-A-T, bat. Yes. B-A-T, bat.
N-O.
N-O, okay.
N-O-T.
O-S, R-O-S-E, rose. N-O-T, not. Yes, very good. R-O-S-E, rose.
R-O-S-E. Rose.
Yes. Then okay, students. So in page number 53, this all exercise are given. Okay. So you write in your textbook. So you all of you understand this poem, this alphabet song?
Yes.
Okay. So you read one time and read page. See, this is our Balbharti textbook. Page number 53, you write all exercise. Okay?
Yes.
So students, if you like this video, so share with your friends and relatives. Okay? And subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Goodbye, students.